My name is Pearl Myanja, and I am doing my lesson plan on Donovan's Word Jar by Mona Lisa DeGrosse. I'm using step 10 from the step process that goes from first grade to third grade to help with reading comprehension. Step 10 is identifying character perspectives. The standard is RL.4.3. Describe in depth a character, setting, or event in a story or drama, drawing on specific details in the text. Example, characters' thoughts, words, or actions. Anticipated misconceptions. Does not connect characters' words, thoughts, or actions to their perspective. Next misconception. Struggles seeing the character change over time. The proactive plan for these misconceptions is guided reading. Good morning, scholars. When you come in, level 0, grab your do now. Go. I see that Sarah has her pencil moving. I see that Anna is highlighting and annotating. The whole first row has their pencils up and moving. Thank you, Tara. I see you annotating as well. Jessica, I see that you have your full name on the top of your paper. Good job. I am setting the timer for 10 minutes. Today's writing prompt is on the back and front board. If you have a question, raise a silent hand and I will be on my way. Ladies, you are doing a great job at being at a level 0. We are building our writing stamina. And the bell is going off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is time. I see you guys working hard. Great job. You ladies are building your writing endurance. Pencils at rest. Eyes on me in 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we are ready to learn. Straight spine. Confident shoulders. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Ladies, we are going to move into our groups. Group A is meeting me at the kidney table. Group 2 can go to a comfy pillow or chair and do independent work. When I say go, I need you to bring a pencil, your annotation binder, and Donovan's word jar. You have 10 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I see Sarah's getting to her seat quickly. 2. I see Delia opening up her binder. 1, 0. Group A will be in the back at the kidney table talking with me for their guiding reading of the day. I wanted to talk about yesterday's reading just to remind us of what we took away. Take this minute to open your annotation notes and look in them for about 15 seconds. Go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I saw all of you checking your annotations and looking for what happened yesterday in Donovan's word jar. Great job. So Donovan wants to go to his grandma's house, but does not get to go because his mother needs him to watch Nikki. Now, London, can you tell me why Donovan watched Nikki? Yes, Nikki was very sick. Donovan shared a few of his words with her, and it made her feel better. Class, do we agree, disagree, or are we neutral on her summary? Great, you all agreed. I agree as well. That is what happened yesterday. So now we're going to talk about today's reading, which is chapters 5 and 6. While you're reading, this is the question that I want you to keep in mind. Make sure that you are annotating your work and you are writing down key points. The question is, what is Donovan's favorite place to visit when he's at his grandmother's house, and why? Let me say that again because I know that was a lot of words, so I will restate that one more time. The question is, what is Donovan's favorite place to visit when he's at his grandmother's house, and why? You have 20 minutes. Go. Okay, our time is coming up. You guys have 5, 4, 3. Your pencils and your annotation materials will be at rest in 1, 0. So, Cicely, I want to go ahead and ask you why and what was his favorite place to visit? Grandmother's house. Great. Now, tell me more about Grandma's house? Well, Grandma had a lot of things that she collected, and Donovan really liked everything that she collected. So, Destiny, can you add on to what Cicely told us about why Donovan's grandmother's house was his favorite and what part of the house was his favorite? Let me rephrase the question. Why? What? I apologize. What is at his grandmother's house that he likes to visit? Why is that his favorite place to visit, and why? Well, Miss Myanja, I think it's because of the wall of pictures. Okay. How do you know that it's the wall of pictures? Well, Grandma said that it was her favorite place. So I guess it was Donovan's favorite place. Tara, I see your hand up. Now, can you add to what she just said? Yes, I can. His favorite place in the house was his grandmother's picture wall because he was able to visit his grandfather when he missed him. That's why. Now, do we agree or disagree with that? So, I'm going to go really quickly and ask Jana, where in the text did she find that evidence? So while you're looking at the things you cited, tell me where you saw evidence. So when I was looking, it said, so whenever he missed his grandpop, Donovan would go to the wall and visit him. That's on page 45. Now, if you do not have that in your notebook, go ahead and write that down. I need you to cite. Make sure that you put the page number. And go ahead and I'm going to count down and switch once you have written that down in your binder. Go. All right. 5 seconds to switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Both groups are learning the same thing, so I will not repeat. This is the lesson. Pearl Myanja.